Depending on which academic study you read, pigs are listed as one of the top 5 most intelligent animals in the world. Our goal is to use their intelligence against them in order to capture 100% of the sounder group at each trap location. We developed a trapping matrix to simplify the steps needed to achieve 100% success. First, hogs must be trained or conditioned to use a location as a daily food source. Second, hogs must be conditioned to enter and trust the corral trap enclosure in order to receive this daily food source. Third, you must utilize the optimum trigger device in order to capture the entire sounder group. Success or failure will be defined by the capture percentage. This American Hunter feeder uses a digital timer to control the exact time of day and the exact amount of feed to be dispersed. Our goal is to condition the sounder group to associate sunrise and the sound of the spinning feeder as their morning breakfast reward. Remember, this is the first step towards achieving perfect capture results. We erected this feeder on 29 April and set it to spin every morning at 7 a.m. Here are the results from the next 11 mornings. April 30th, 7:02, May 1st, 7:07, May 2nd, 8:39, May 3rd, 7:02, May 4th, 7:03, May 5th, 7 a.m., May 6th, 7:01, May 7th, 6:59, May 8th, 7 a.m., May 9th, 7:02, and May 10th, 7:02. Training hogs to use a location as a daily food source is only 1/3 of the battle. Next, you must condition them to enter and trust the corral trap enclosure in order to receive their daily food source. Trapping video number 2, titled Trap and Door Selection, demonstrates this step in more detail. Finally, you must utilize a trigger device capable of capturing the entire group. The most common mistake is to use a simple wire setup at the back of the trap, requiring the hogs to trip the gate closed on their own. Here are 3 examples to demonstrate how tripwires would have missed 16 of the 38 hogs captured. The first example is a sow and 7 pigs. A traditional tripwire would have only captured these 6 pigs while leaving the sow and 1 pig outside the trap. This would have produced a 25% failure rate. The second example is a large group of 14 adults. These 6 arrived early and fed to the rear of the trap. Here are 3 more adults entering the trap for a total of 9. Now 3 more late arrivals. This makes a grand total of 12 adults inside the trap enclosure. A traditional tripwire would have only captured the original 6 while educating the other 8. A tripwire this night would have produced a 57% failure rate. The third example has 4 adult sows and 12 shotes. Watch what happens when the feeder spins. Several shotes dash to the back of the trap to avoid fighting for food directly under the feeder. 3 sows and 3 shotes run around the outside of the trap while the others sprint inside. A tripwire on this set would have produced a 38% failure rate. The point of these 3 examples was to demonstrate how tripwires would have missed 16 of the 38 hogs captured, a horrendous 42% failure rate. Trapping cannot effectively reduce population densities using methods and equipment which only produce 58% success. The next video in our series will continue to demonstrate feral hog behavior so viewers better understand how we obtained 100% results during these 3 examples.